In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two amazing herbal infused shampoo that will help stimulate hair growth, boost blood circulation to scalp, treat dandruff and itchy scalp, and improve the overall health of your hair. If you think you'll be interested in this video, then keep on watching. So my first product for today is beetroot. Beetroot contains similar minerals and vitamins like that of black rice, such as zinc, magnesium, potassium, which helps to stimulate hair growth. So I decided to dice it into smaller pieces because I'm going to be blending it before transferring it into my blender. Then I added some water. I'm also going to be using some neem leaf, which is very good for those suffering from dandruff. It also helps to treat hair lice. I'm also going to be using my hibiscus flower. I'm also going to be using my rosemary, which is very good for hair growth. So once you're done adding everything into your blender, you're going to blend, then transfer it into your bowl. So I'm still going to be heating this because it's not done infusing. I want it to infuse properly, so you can choose to do the double boiling method if you like. So while that is going on, I'm going to be making my African black soap. I'm going to be melting it. So I transferred it into my measuring cup, then I added some water. So once it's done melting, you're just going to sieve it to remove all the impurities in it. So this is what my liquid black soap is looking like. So now that I'm done infusing all my product into my water, I'm just going to be sieving it because I'm only going to be using the juice. So these are the products that I'm going to be working with. This is my infused product, and this is my liquid black soap. And in the smaller containers, I have my surfactant. I'm using the Castile soap and the cocoa midopropyl. I hope I didn't murder the name. So I'm going to be splitting this into two. I have about 900 ml here, so I'm going to be using 450 each to make two different shampoo. So I handpicked all the products that I infused here because of all the benefits you can get from using them. That's why I handpicked those particular products. So now that I'm done splitting in, for the first shampoo, I'm going to be getting about 3 grams of xanthan gum. I'm trying to create a viscous fluid. Then about 8 mils of my glycerin to create a slurry paste just like this. So I'm going to be transferring it into the first half just to create a slurry fluid, like I said, a viscous fluid just like this. So I added more xanthan gum here because I wanted it to be very viscous to give me that shampoo effect. So yeah, now that I'm done with this part, I'm going to be adding my liquid black soap. So at this point, I am not going to be using my mixer because this is liquid black soap. It's going to create bubbles if I use a mixer. So you're going to be using your spoon to mix this, else you're going to waste a lot of time trying to bust all the bubbles and all. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. I'm going to eventually turn the rest of the black soap in it. It's looking dark right now, but everything is going to change a little bit later. So I'm going to be adding the rest of my product, like my essential oils and my preservative, because this is a water-based fluid, so you're definitely going to need some preservative. So I'm also going to be adding some fragrance. Use any fragrance of your choice. You do not have to use the exact ones that I am using. So I used 2 different fragrances. I'm also going to be adding my preservative. Like I said, this is a water-based fluid. Like I said, I'm going to be adding the rest of the black soap, but for now this is almost ready. So we're going to set this aside and proceed to the second shampoo. So this is the second half of my infused fluid. I'm also going to be adding some viscosifier. This time around, I'm using just 1.5 grams of xanthan gum because I'm going to be adding emulsifier, so you don't need to make it too viscous. You guys are going to see how it's going to turn out. You're going to mix it and then you're going to add your emulsifiers. So I'm using 3 different emulsifiers. You do not have to use all 3. You can just use emulsifying wax and you'll be good to go. So once you're done adding all your emulsifiers, you're going to melt everything because you want to heat up everything before you mix. So we're going to be putting this in the microwave to melt it. As you can see, it's done melting. Now I'm going to mix it. It's still hot. I don't know what I was thinking trying to mix it in that measuring cup. I had to transfer it. So it's still hot, so it's a little bit fluidy. It's going to get more viscous when it cools down. So this is what it looks like after about an hour. Now I'm going to be adding the rest of my products like my essential oils and also my liquid soap. So like I said, guys, I actually do not have enough of the soap, but this is the right amount you should add if you're making this. I have less amount, but this is the right amount you should add if you want to have more lather. Then you're going to add your essential oils and your preservative. Again, like I said, this is a liquid, this is a water-based fluid, so you're definitely going to need some preservative. Again, use any fragrance of your choice. You do not have to use the exact ones that I am using. So once you're done, you're going to use your spoon to mix everything. You do not want to use a mixer, else you're going to end up with a lot of bubbles, which will take a lot of time for it to break. And that's it, guys. Both shampoos are ready. Like I said, I ended up adding the rest of the black soap into this one. That's why it's giving this brownish color. It's giving this metallic look, which is very, very beautiful. So the black soap shampoo is actually a clarifying shampoo. It's not going to leave your hair feeling dry, but it's going to clean your hair really, really well. While this shampoo is a moisturizing shampoo, it's not going to strip off your hair of its natural oil. In fact, it's going to help add more moisture to your hair. So this is me trying to show you guys how I am going to use both shampoos on my hair. This is my hair. I just detangled my hair using my okra recipe. If you haven't seen the video, it's already out on my channel, so feel free to check it out. So this is the first wash. Obviously it's not going to lather so much, but it's going to get there eventually. You guys are going to see that. So like I said, guys, I handpicked all the products because it's going to help you treat dandruff and itchy scalp. It's going to help add moisture to your hair. It's going to help with premature graying. It's going to help boost blood circulation to your scalp, which will promote hair growth. It's going to leave your hair feeling soft and shiny. It's going to condition your scalp, which will promote healthy hair growth. It's going to strengthen your hair strands. In fact, it's going to improve the overall health of your hair. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be willing to try this shampoo, and if you have tried it, how it's working out for you. I would really love to get your feedback on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And yes, I like to wash my hair in sections because this helps to reduce frizz and tangles. As you guys can see, I leave my hair in sections throughout the entire wash period, and this is what my hair is looking like. Squeaky clean, not too dry. It's just the right amount of clean that I wanted it. I don't know if this is even the right word to use, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Until next time, please do not forget to stay safe. See you in my next video. Bye.